A brand new view comes to Sybiz Vision in version 19, giving users the ability to allocate picking and packing tasks. I've set up some conditional formatting to give me a clearer view of my delivery due dates and what orders I can fill. Any orders that are in red are past due, orange nearly due, and green I still have plenty of time to pick and pack. This screen can work very simply. When I tick each item, it tells me how many I can pick, and I can generate the order for each picker. Or I can dive deeper into my picking and packing decisions. I can also jump into selecting which locations I want to filter by, whether I want to fully or partially pick lines, and select who I want to pick each item. That's a brief look at the new picking and packing release functionality in Sybiz Vision 19.